This is what you should have learned in geometry last year, part 5. So we're talking about angles and circles, and the first kind is called a central angle, and that just means that it's formed by two radii. So for central angles, the angle is equal to the arc. So that means if our central angle is 80 degrees, our arc is also 80 degrees. Next, we have inscribed angles, and they're formed by two chords that have a common endpoint on the circle. So with inscribed angles, the angle is equal to half of the arc. Or in other words, the arc is double the angle. So if the arc is 120, the angle has to be half that, so our angle would be 60 degrees. When we're dealing with a vertex inside kind of angle, our angle is going to be equal to 1/2 times arc plus arc. So if we have two arcs on either side of 70 degrees and 130 degrees, we would find the missing angle by doing 1/2 times 70 plus 130. 70 plus 130 is 200, and half of 200 is 100. So that means our missing angle would be 100 degrees. And then lastly, we have vertex outside. And so this is formed whenever our common endpoint is outside the circle. And in this case, the angle is equal to 1/2 times arc minus arc. So in this case, we would do 1/2 times 160 minus 80. 160 minus 80 is 80, and half of 80 is just 40. So our missing angle would be 40 degrees, and that's how simple those problems are.